How many of y'all know what pot liquor is? Well, pot liquor is just a thing. So if you don't know what pot liquor is, it's when you cook your greens, and it's the juice, as people call it, that is in the bottom of the pot. Well, not the bottom of the pot. It's in the pot after you cook your greens. That's what pot liquor is. I'm gonna make a cocktail using pot liquor today. So if you're interested in seeing how that comes out, y'all stay tuned.
Working my nerves. Clock out at phone. Oh no, do not disturb.
Before we go run errands, we gotta have our green juice. What's in this glass? It's gonna gross some of you out, and I understand that, but it's okay. Collards, kale, cucumber, ginger, Granny Smith apple, lemon, celery, I think that's it. I think that's all I put in this one, because I don't think I put anything else in. I tried to stick with mostly greens. The ginger is not green, of course. The lemon is not green. But I think that's about all that I put in this one. Packed full of yummy goodness. So this is definitely a dose of all the vitamins today. And then at night, I have the red, I call it the red drink, which is beets and carrots and red apples and ginger and lemon, and I forgot to put mint in here. So the next batch, I'll remember my mint. What am I wearing? I am wearing my shirt that says, Siri, I need wine. Girl, I need a whole whiskey bottle at this moment in my life. Some cute little jazzy earrings. I don't even remember where I got them from. Just some gray sweatpants. These are Walmart. My Air Maxes, gray, and they're so comfortable. Rings are all from Shein. Got those, and this is like one of my favorites right here. One of my absolute favorites. I need to get my nails done, but those are the rings that I'm wearing because my hands look like little boy hands. And that is it. Nothing spectacular, but comfortable and, you know, good for running errands. So let's get ready to go and grab some coffee and run some errands for the day. Then later on, we're gonna make a cocktail. They be out here jamming with the music, so I can't really record when I'm picking up my coffee here. But y'all, I am now officially, I forgot my wedding ring. I'm officially a 7 brew girl. I really like the coffee here. Really like the coffee. I wish they had like something with toasted pecans or pecans, as some people say, but they don't. So I got a salty caramel, I think she said. Girl, I don't remember what it was. I'm about to tell y'all when it comes out. But she said it was salty and sweet, and of course I got mine a quarter sweet with oat milk and an extra shot because I need that today. So it's salted caramel with oat milk, an extra shot of espresso, a quarter sweetness level, and I like it. And it's got foam on the top. I didn't know that it was gonna have a foam, which I really love. All right, first stop of the day is coffee. Second stop is we need to go to Ollie's and pick up some laundry supplies, and then we need to probably go to the grocery store. Y'all, I just did Instacart last weekend, but I'm doing groceries again because I've decided that I'm gonna do fruits and vegetables by the week. That way I don't waste them and they don't go bad. Because you know, this stuff in the grocery store, you know, your fruits and vegetables, sometimes they don't last all that long. The shelf life is really low in some cases. So, ooh, my car's too close together. I don't want to park right there. So I've decided that oh, her shoes are cute. Girl, focus. I'm gonna buy all of my fruits and vegetables by the week. That way I will save on money, because I'm wasting money by buying them every 2 weeks, and then by the time I get ready to use it, it's gone bad. So I can park here. That's, we are now pulling up at Ollie's. Great stuff, cheap. I think that's how the commercial goes. Oh, it's Ollie's. Good stuff, cheap. Okay, y'all, it really feels good to be out and about, enjoying this beauty. It's a nice, crisp, cool day. I think the high today is 60, but I'm just glad to be out and about. I'm glad to be able to walk around freely. Because, you know, it's been a tough week for quite a few people, I would say. And yes, I was in the number, but you know what? We move on, we move ahead. And we don't let the things that are not positive take over our lives. So let's see what I can find at Ollie's. I probably should have grabbed a basket outside because I don't see any inside. Oh, they're all the way down there. So let's find a basket. So they have like all the little candies out. You know, I grew up on this. Every Christmas we had this candy, we had this candy, and we had the fruit candy. These were my favorite. So I think I might get a combination of this and maybe the ribbon candy. Although I think this is the traditional because it was thinner. So I'm going to call my mom and make sure that this is the right brand before I get it. Well, y'all, Ollie's was kind of a bust. While they had everything that I actually went in there for, people leaving out the store, that line was so long. I don't know if you have an Ollie's near you or if you even go in Ollie's. It's at the back of the store. Ain't no way I'm gonna stand in that line that long. Like, it literally was moving slow. They have 3 cashiers. It's like a Walmart line. It was dumb long. So I'll get laundry supplies tomorrow. I'll come back out tomorrow and get the stuff I need for laundry. But no Ollie's haul today. So we're gonna go to the grocery store and get the few things that we need for dinner today. Because I want to do something for dinner different than what's in the house. And I'm making a few cocktails today. And so I need stuff from the grocery store to make the cocktails and food. And we need toilet paper. So I need to go to Aldi. Because I like getting my toilet paper from Aldi. I like the toilet paper that Walmart has too. But we're going to just go to Aldi and hope for the best. Hope that we can get everything that we need there. But yeah, that line was, I was like, I'm steady saying excuse me, thinking that I'm actually you know, asking people to, you know, scoot because I wanted to get through so I can get to the front of the store. Then it dawned on me, girl, you was walking past a whole line right now. This ain't no excuse me, can I get past you? Where's my lip gloss? I done, Jesus, where did I put my lip gloss, y'all? Oh, there it is. So I'm wearing 2 glosses today. I'm wearing my e.l.f. Lip oil, this color, and I'm wearing my Revlon, Maybelline lifter gloss. Yeah, I need to pick up another one of these. I might go by Target too, because this is where Target is the only place that has this color. So I might scoop by there and get, because this is almost gone. Yeah, I might go by Target and get another one of these. But what else? Had a whole hot flash in the store to the point where I had to take my glasses off because my face just felt like it felt like my glasses were starting to retain heat and my face was burning. I was like, oh God, we can't do this today. We cannot do this today. So I'm just gonna run these few errands real quick and get back home. All right, so we are at Lidl instead of going to Aldi because I like their toilet paper too. Let's see what we can find in here today. Hopefully their water is on sale. All right, I'm back home and I didn't get too much, but I got some green chilies. I got some red peppers because these are really good. Y'all know I use crushed red pepper and everything, so I got some red peppers. 2 boxes of the stir-fry rice. This is everything I got from Food Lion. Some 3 color bell peppers, reduced sodium soy sauce, a small bag of dried thyme. I need to grow thyme. 1 bell pepper. That's everything from Food Lion. Oh, and I got a bag of ice, but that's in the deep freezer. Then from Lidl, I got, which I'm cooking tonight, I'm doing some balsamic chicken breast. So I got chicken breast, which I'll just sit those here until I can clean the sink out. I got a bottle of Primitivo. Primitivo is like a Tempranillo. It can be medium sweet to dry. This Primitivo is more on the dry side, and I got this because I'm going to be doing a couple of desserts, and you know, desserts go well with dry wine, dry red wine. So this is this one, and this one is really dry. You can see it on the scale, the numbering scale, that this is a dry wine, and then this tells you the temperature to keep it. It tells you the grapes, and it also tells you where it's from, and it's an Italian wine. Butter, because you always need butter. And my daughter has been asking me to do a corned beef. This is the best price that I found corned beef in a while. This was $18.47, and it doesn't really have a lot of fat on it. Excuse me. So I'll be fixing that tomorrow. Goodness gracious. I don't know what just got in my throat. Got some crystals, some goodness. Y'all hold on, I gotta get something for my throat. I don't know what just happened, but all of a sudden I just felt my throat just started itching. Anyway, back to what I was saying. Got some cranberry juice. Making some Cosmos later, so definitely need that. Lord, that says cranberry cherry. Child, it's gonna work. Then I got like 3 cans, I think, of cream of mushroom and 3 cans of cream of chicken, I think. I shouldn't stack that in my face, huh? I got a few cans of French style green beans, which I'll be cooking those tomorrow. Goodness, my throat, child. So I got the 3 cans of the French style green beans. Oh, I got 3 cream of, no, I got 2 of each. 2 cream of chicken and 2 cream of mushroom. These are really good. I use those for like when I'm doing baked things. Girl, the element came in so I can fix the oven. Battery is about to die. But I got a basil plant and a peppermint plant because it's, you know, the weather's changing and I need to keep one of each in the house. Honey. And then the last few things before this battery dies, got leeks, 2 bags of salad, because that's for dinner, some tomatoes to go in the salad, an English green cucumber, and some strawberries, and all of these lemons and limes. I think I got like 2, 4, 8 lemons, and I think I got like 10 limes or something like that. Because I need to make fresh lime juice and fresh lemon juice. Because we're just going to be chilling tonight. I can't get these limes, y'all. And then I just got a bunch of limes. So I'm going to juice all of these because we'll need a lot of lime. Y'all know lime juice, you might get an ounce out of lime juice out of 1 lime. But I got plenty of limes. And so this is my Lidl and Food Lion grocery haul. That's that. So thank y'all for hanging with me today. I'll talk to y'all soon. Probably be back later making a drink. So just to give you a heads up, it is very different. Very different. Besides the Cosmo, which that's a normal drink. But the drink that I'm gonna make tonight, when I tell you it's so different, it's different. How many of y'all know what pot liquor is? I'm from Virginia, but southern part of Virginia. I'm from Suffolk, Virginia. That's where I was born. was raised until I was about 8, 9. Then we moved to the Hampton Roads area. So pot liquor is just a thing. So if you don't know what pot liquor is, it's when you cook your greens, and it's the juice, as people call it, that is in the bottom of the pot. Well, not the bottom of the pot. It's in the pot after you cook your greens. That's what pot liquor is. I'm going to make a cocktail using pot liquor today. Okay, let's recap. Last night, made the pot liquor martini, as you saw. Ended up drinking 2. So it has this savory spiciness to it, but a little sweet at the same time. Holding my finger weird, because y'all, I cut my finger with the mandolin. But would I drink it again? Yeah, I put the rest of the pot liquor back in the refrigerator because I had it in like one of the containers. So both my bro and I, we both had 2 glasses of it. My husband and his wife were looking at us both like, y'all are drinking the nastiest stuff. So she tried it. Tina tried it and she was like, mm-mm. Then Alyssa tried it and she was gagging. But it really was good. It was surprisingly good. So I am going to make it again. And I don't know. I liked it. And the little spiciness from the chili pepper, it just was like just the topping that was necessary. So anyway, I just want to come back and give y'all an update on that. And yes, I still am wearing my shirt. I really enjoyed it. And I'll be making it again. And I'm going to go back to the page where I found out about the pot liquor martini and try a couple of her other savory ones, because she had like a spicy pickle one and I think an okra one, like all weird drinks, but I'm willing to try it. So I'll have the ingredients and measurements in the description box just in case you're feeling a little bit like living on the wild side. Thanks for watching. Remember to like, comment, share, subscribe.
Let's take this show on the road. It's different.